I lost a lot of hair in my late 20s very quickly, and I was this close to shaving it off. Today, I'm gonna walk you through my exact protocol that I used. I wanted to avoid any drugs or chemicals out the gate because I could always add these later on if I needed. All treatments had to be scientifically proven and easy to stick to. Every other day, I use laser therapy. Specific wavelengths of light increase blood flow and stimulate follicle activity. There's over 50 years of clinical research. It's very, very safe with no known side effects. No risk and all reward. Naturally, this was going to be the first thing I started with. I responded very well to this treatment and saw new visible growth in just about 2 months. Anything in this video, I'll make sure to link it down below. If you have the hair loss gene, and most men do, your follicles are going to be sensitive to a hormone called DHT. With enough exposure, your hair follicles will actually die and never grow hair ever again. To stop hair loss, you need to block DHT. I wanted to do this without the use of medication. Finasteride is a drug for prostate enlargement. It's a chemical DHT blocker that was also found to treat hair loss. For some people, it can have some very bad side effects. I started with something more chill because I could always take finasteride later on if I really needed. I take a natural DHT blocking supplement with saw palmetto every day. It's clinically effective and has basically zero side effects. Not only did growth increase, but at the same time, the shedding almost completely stopped. The next step was to add a topical serum. This could trigger even more growth through a totally different pathway. Most people would opt for minoxidil. It's a chemical solution that you apply to your scalp. It dilates your veins and drives blood to the follicles. There aren't too many crazy side effects, but you do need to use it for life. I went instead for a scientifically backed essential oil. Topical rosemary oil matches the growth results of 2% minoxidil. It has no side effects and it's very easy to apply. Topicals can be up to 400% more effective when used with microneedling. These devices create thousands of micropunctures on the scalp. This lets topicals penetrate the skin deeper while at the same time triggering a healing response in the tissue. This basically drives stem cells and blood to the weak follicles. I only do this once per month so that my scalp is fully healed in between sessions. Exactly what I use is linked down below, as well as full instructions. This multi-treatment protocol worked like gangbusters. Getting your hair back is real, but you just gotta take action right now.